Hello? Hello? Hello, Vilma. Hello, everyone, it's me. Welcome back. Whoa. Welcome back to another Stormworks video. Maybe this time I'm gonna try and not crash a plane. Right, do you wanna do this jet? I think we should do this one. Yeah, it's good. Alright. Green fishing boat. Emergency. Where's the plane? Okay, I'm gonna... Oh my god, it's raining. Engines on. Alright, let's do this. Let's do this. Engines on. Where's the avionics? Yeah. Oh crap, I forgot to close the door. Oh no. No. Oh god. Oh god, I forgot to close the door. What the? Wait, what the? The heck? Why am I rolling? I'm not doing that. Driver. Oh my god, I got control. Get off the keyboard button for a second. Oh god. I'm gonna have to do something about that. See, there's stuff there. Kind of lots of stuff over there. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. No. 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 Guys, I think I made a little mistake. Oh god. We should activate the volcano. Activate it. Sorry, there's a... Be right back. Guys, I'm back. What happened? Oh no, I kind of missed it. God, I missed it. Alright, guys, that's it for this video. Goodbye, bye. Stop this recording.